Big breaking news is coming in for Humayun Saeed fans. The very talented and undoubted star of the Pakistani industry, Humayun Saeed will be soon seen in The Crown Season 5. Indeed, he would be the very first ever Pakistani actor to be featured in the next season of the Netflix original The Crown. Humayun Saeed in Netflix original, The Crown. The confirmation says that The Crown's 5th season will feature Humayun Saeed as Doctor Hasnat Ahmad, who had a pivotal part in Diana's life. Mia Pastamho actor is all set to play Doctor Hasnat in the biopic, The Crown. It is to be remembered that Diana made headlines due to her relationship with Dr. Hasnat Ahmed. Dr. Hasnat is a British Pakistani. He is a lung and heart surgeon in the UK. He was popularly known for his romantic, 2-year relationship with Diana. It seems that Humayun Saeed has grabbed an important role in the season because Dr. Hasnat and Diana made solid headlines back in the 90s. Also, Humayun Saeed's fans are happy after getting this huge news. They are of the view that Humayun is surely a deserving candidate to represent Pakistan internationally, as he has already done wonders for the Pakistani industry in terms of acting and production. Fans said that Humayun Saeed is going well with Dr. Hasnat Ahmad than Fawad.